boils law say hojik ngarang to gi ko boils law hok to gre do boils law gi dai mati am tang hapong ge akhoi hojik relationship to yeng se ko boils law da khoi na to gi relationship se pressure have say p is inversely proportional to direct relationship to hai ge ko pv is equal to k hai gi bari basi K1 để cái đó K khác theo sẽ có anh là K1 K2 sẽ là sẽ tao mà này đó constant gì K na represent đâu cái Q là represent đâu cái số cái đấy đó khơi cái convenience cái nông cái ai K sẽ là có so Boyle's law là hai cái sẽ PV hai cái sẽ K ga money that means constant value một tai hai the product of P and V is a constant value so from this we note that if ai na system mà lại 그러니까 시스템 원래 시기 particular system 시기 마기 initial pressure से suppose initial pressure से P1 है represent करोगे P1 그러니까 अदुगा मागी initial volume ना V1 है represent करोगे okay then मावन की value से constant अदुन तागदा बनेगा particular system आमोगी so if I change this P2 P1 from P2 initial P1 से अइना करादा change तो होगेगा P2 द change होगे सिगी P1 से P2 have a pressure to change the correct aduga simultaneously the remaining quantity V1 have a say it will change to V2 automatically V2 the change the value suppose I smile number example I'm hierarchy okay 6 have a number I'm or 12 have a number I'm because out here Sigi number is number anigi product name 12 have a koina 2 into 6 and have a यारेको अदो अइना अमुक सुसिगी 12 have a number से fix adum lawre adu karigumba ahanba term se first term se mamang first case se 2 oibani but now if I change this 2 to 4 the change the ring khala se ko adu the second number se second term se masan automatically will change to 3 tar kani ko adu mind to we know that pv ki product se it's a constant number so if the initial pressure is P1 initial pressure is P1 oirena khalasebko aduga V1 sisu sin initial volume ni mawani ki product ki value ne suppose akone se have the P1 P1 and the V1 mawani ki product say it's a constant number still kya tha gadaba k tarina khalasebko yareko aduga amuk aina sigi pressure P1 have say if I change to another pressure P2 atopa pressure ma P2 labor value labor on the change or khalasi adu regadi masai na sida p ki example gi sumaina volume gi value change or any but their product will remain as it is k is dum ta ga P2 into V2 still sisu kai ta ga dum k ta ga because particular system amagiri pressure da ina change so the volume mathanda change so jarpani but pressure ga volume ga gi maman ki product si adum fixed value amani system amari yaudus for a given amount of gas apiba okay ami kari no hero ami kari hani
Search for given.
okay yareko aduna from this sigi relationship ge koina kari semgat pa yage hai matamda yo ai si ki se somda thang do ke ko left is equal to k. So minor represent the next, first law or Boyle's law. Next is Charles' law. What is Charles' law, or what does it state? Charles' law it states that at constant pressure, the volume of a gas, given mass of a gas, increase or decrease by 1 divided by 273.15 of its volume at 0 degrees Celsius for every rise or fall of 1 degree in the temperature. You know, the system gas gas vessel closed vessel system system gas particular gas AV gas system pressure se constant system pressure se constant system gas volume se increase decrease kaya increase or kaya decrease value increase 1 divided by 273.15 increase or decrease same quantities decrease increase decrease if high system pressure constant but temperature change temperature change temperature temperature 1 degree degree magi gas apiram gas magi volume increase for every raise is the highlighter is respectively in a high the volume of the mass of a gas increase or decrease by this amount of volume at 0 degrees Celsius for every rise or fall. Aduna sigi ani highlight pi bani se yo ahan bagi increase of increase of disikaram kana ha matamda raise or temperature se raise or matamda cam raise or kadaba 1 degree raise or kadaba temperature. If there is raise in one raise of 1 degree in the temperature, then the volume of the given gas will be increased. And if the temperature falls down by 1 degree, then the volume of the given mass will decrease by 1 divided by 273.15 mol. Aduna, Sigi Charles laws mathematically it can be expressed is such. Smaina expressed over where the VT haibasmale VT haibase karino hamatamda aina pamiba puthongi temperature do volume ni puthokise karamba volume aina pamiba temperature do da volume kya myana legido you have to puthoko pamne so VT haibasina when it is the volume when the temperature is any desert temperature so T temperature T degrees Celsius and higher se ko makhala su ile ko VT means volume at T degrees Celsius. And V naught means the volume at 0 degrees Celsius. Correct? Sige relationships in a sinner kanda. Kaya increase the weight na kaya volume the decrease the weight hina putong we formulas. We high basigyo ahan relationship kari common we gaya matamda V naught common so V naught se common then first terms de 1 le and second terms is T divided by 273.15 le bracket manung thame ko okay then ai manung isi portion se khara simplified tore yare ko aduna sida V T is equal to V naught haraga manung se operation se khoi de le se addition operation ni so aina ani sigi LCM log thwe ko rearrange kar to thwe yam sana ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ LCM ꯂꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯚꯦꯂꯨꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯔꯤꯑꯦꯔꯦꯟꯖ ꯈꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ T ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯇꯦꯝꯄꯔꯦꯆꯔꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯞꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯖꯤꯟꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯗꯅ ꯆꯪꯉꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯞꯁꯦ ꯆꯥꯔꯜꯁ ꯂꯣꯅ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯞꯅꯤ ꯁꯣ ꯁꯤꯃꯁꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯁꯣꯠ ꯂꯧꯍꯧꯔꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ
ꯈꯔ ꯑꯝꯇꯪꯒ ꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯣ
ओके चार्ल्स लोन हाइबसे यंगो कांस्टेंट प्रेशर मत लेरे सिस्टम अमदा को आई सिस्टम दु साइड बॉक्स अम तोरके एक्सिलागे ओके सिसे वेशल अमनि न खलसे आइनसे रेक्टेंगल म येसे को सिगी मनुंग सिले कना हापतिबा ग्यास अम हापनि बकोइन यारे को अदु सिगी ग्यास एनी ग्यास अम हेक्टो बि है यारे को ग्यास अम हेक्टो बि है सपोज ए को ग्यास अम हापि यारेको अदुगा सिस्टम सिगी प्रेशर से इट्स अ कांस्टेंट वैल्यू ने कांस्टेंट थमेन यारेको सिगी सिस्टम सिगी प्रेशर से कांस्टेंट ओरे अदु रेगदी सिगी सिस्टम से यावरिबा गैस सिगी वॉल्यूम से it will change हाइबने चेंज तगनिबो if there is raise or samna if there is change in the temperature of the system the volume of the gas in this system will change adu kem yamna change tawdino adu change tawon tamde increase la natraga decrease la haibnebo if the system of this temperature is raised by 1 degree celsius there will be increase in the volume of the gas by 1 divided by 273.15 of its volume magi ngasai leiramni volume do adugi saruk 273.15 ki manung da saruk amaka hengalakani habo and if the temperature is fall down by 1 degree celsius amatara temperature suppose 25 degree celsius leiramebo ko adu 25 degree celsius tagi 24 degree celsius la ko matamda that means temperature do lower to re hamne fall down to re hamne ko adugi matamda change ama thoiba kari change no volume of the gas to change toiba karmaina change toba decrease towe decrease toba amount no kaya no 1 divided by 273.15 decrease towi have temperature hengalagana volume hengale Charles law haise pressure di constant adu hengalpagi amount se 1 divided by 273.15 oigedabani sirib ko aduga temperature से 1 degree हंथरगना 25 लेमलगी 24 ओइरगदी degree अमा तायनी अदुगी मतम any temperature या कोई example in 35 24 sum hai bali 25 degree celsius tagi 24 degree celsius te tar agadi there is decrease of 1 degree celsius in the temperature then at that time the volume of the given mass of the gas will decrease by 1 divided by 273.15 happening. Get that, bro? Get that, bro?
What?
Okay. So let's move to next part again. Okay, now, hoziki Charles Logi issue akoina graph yekpi. Kare ko karmana kari graph no hammer term da akoina volume versus temperature ki graph ni. Volume ga temperature ga gi marakti yekpo graph ni. adu relationship to kari lemnu yengse hana hoziki du da volume ga temperature ga se kari relationship le sigi equation da
directly proportional.
Directly proportional. Okay, very good. Directly proportional. Otherwise, if there is a direct relationship like if I increase the value of the first quantity, suppose I know volume value say increase the whole then what will how the value of temperature will be? Temperature value sing mind lakani.
Increase तौरनी
Increase
है
the Okay. Aduna akoina hojik khangadabse ngarangi natranga sai togibdo Boyle's law dudana indirect relationship label. Indirect relationship layer, if I increase the value of one quantity, then the value of other quantity will be decreased. But here, temperature, according to Charles' law, they are related directly. So, if if the value of one quantity increase, the value of others also increase. Okay, so value increase to suppose I volume values increase the other temperature ki values increase automatically because they are related directly. They have direct relationship. Okay, so if there is direct relationship, then we will get a curve which is a straight line. But here in case there magi ngasai lona Charles law na hagibido increase or decrease of volume leibani ko aduna mar kanda akoina suppose P1 hyper pressure when the system is kept at a pressure of P1 ko pressure na thame constant ko adui matamdu aina graph yekpo matamda volume versus temperature graph yekpo matamda we will get a straight line. Similarly, if the pressure of the system is kept at P2, then at that time we will get this line represented by red color. Red color ki oil ba se sisi oil tholakani. Then P3 oil matamda straight line adum phangani. P4 straight line phangani. When we draw graph between volume and temperature, but there is some intercepts. Intercept khara lei ko kari gi intercept lei no hai matam na ngasai hai gi do with the fall of or rise of temperature there is change of some amount of volume the change to gi do minus 273.15 ki volume se sigi intercept amadi lei gani so the curves will not or the straight line will not pass through the origin but there will be an intercept of minus 273.15 legani. Ko hayengona graph ki nature se hai matam straight line way but origin of for gachate intercept ki value ama lei magi ko morning da to na quite probably ko quiz kai kan to nung tin je net ki problem ai ta lai ba ko loi ki bani kan de na okay so we will get straight line. Now sida point amatang yengoro P1 P2 P3 P4 singse P1 na P2 dagi hena PA sum si order lay ko aduna magi slope se graph si slope se kamai to game matamda pressure se chawkhlai koi graph ki slope se sum picture kari the slope of the graphs will becomes smaller if the pressure of the system becomes larger. Karigumba system sigi mangonda khoina thamiba pressure constant pressure se sum chawkhalaba system khud amamam gi ko aduragadi aina ye lawriba pressure du matung ina magi graph sigi slope se sum piktharakani aduna less incline or kani ko p4 sina kwaidagi less incline or minimum slope leba graph hangi aduga pressure P1 which is the smallest oibsina magi slope se am chawna phangi ko to what the khoi ji english kari no the nature of this graph is a straight line having an intercept of minus 273.15 habs ko then note say on the temperature minus 273.15 centimeter at which the volume becomes zero is called absolute zero. The absolute zero have a no absolute zero have a temperature point ama khangni correct temperature kya legada minus 273.15 legada graph se yengo sum khangni yo temperature se minus 273.15 lemotam the amount of volume is zero the ureko volume di zero gi mapa ne le but temperature di minus 273.15 le adu karigumba volume se zero oirakpa matamda leiriba temperature do adu bo koina kari hena koba absolute zero haina kowe yare ko adi haying absolute zero gi value se kya no haina agadi minus 273.15 degrees celsius ni habi if adu sigi se wa koina kelvin ga degree celsius ka gi relationship su leko adu mana haying option gumada kelvin on tho pira magadi adugi change tawduma hana khangra adugidi kari relationship lay degree celsius ka kelvin ga gi marata so kelvin is equal to the given amount of degree celsius plus 273.15 yare ko adu sig 0.15 se koina decimal point sing digit sing half the sway 273 khak da whole sway ke shu kai di yare ko adu sig relationship sima khangjalo kari gumba koina degree celsius se kelvin da on thoke hairabadi sig relationship sinagani adu rearrange toraga koina kelvin dagi degree celsius to on thoke hairaga su yagani yare ko adu sig point sima note down toro okay then next pressure being constant hojiki charles law gi sa koi pressure se constant hoina ko aduna relationship akoi hojik ta haigi bido volume and temperature mabani ki relationship se ngasai haigre kari relationship leba directly proportional oi having that means direct relationship lay having yeah ko directly proportional oi having so from this we can write kay han ibiya ke hamatam ne v is directly proportional to koi mathematical form da ni thoksi b is directly proportional to temperature T or we can have capital V is equal to multiplied by a constant k ko multiply tore and T yeah ko minor fangi so from this we can again rearrange so we are there is V divided by capital T will be equal to a constant value yeah ko constant value go mane so if akoina particular system amada Charles law hai is a volume divided by temperature it should be always a constant value for a particular system it will not change for a particular system aduna system amada volume amaga my volume siga temperature siga divide on matam mo ratio say it should be a constant value so from this we can take as if the initial volume is V1 initial volume is V1 in a color and the initial temperature is T1 and we change this initial volume V1 to V2 and at that time sai mathak to khone to bidumaina temperature T2 ko wamsu phangani because sai aina 12 ki da high gi ko 12 I say it's a product of two numbers 2 and 6 2 and 6 gi mawan ki product name again it can be also a product of 4 multiplied by 3 ko sumai to duna hojiki na mo koina divide hai bani suppose three is a question of two numbers the division of two numbers then it may be of 12 divided by 4 or it may be a result of 6 divided by 2 6 the 2 the divided was 3 fangi then 12 the divided was 4 na 3 dum fangi ko smile to na Akoin hojik English hai karino hamtamda v divided by t have it's a constant number. So if we take the initial volume v1 and the temperature, initial temperature T1, and it will change after some time to V2 and T2, we will get a relationship. Sige relationship se fangani ko. Akoy na sa matak te arrange to kido do mind to na. Kamane rearrange to bai sta hapsla ge ko. Okay, hapsa share is the subsar na there. V khadi ile ko. Okay, V1 divided by T1 is equal to V2 divided by T2. It should be always equal to a constant. Constant number key is fixed. But the value of K may be variable for a can be varied for different systems. System can be matuna sigi divide ki value se change to body key ki value se ko. For a particular system amakaki when the K ki value se fixed name. Okay, let's next point we say at any given pressure, the graph of volume versus temperature for all gases is a straight line. How's the straight line with on extending to zero volumes, each line intercepts the temperature exists at minus 273.15 degree and each line is called isobar. Hosiki I explain to gray the water isobar have to isobar have a sequina see graphs volume versus temperature graph we get straight lines. These straight lines are called the straight lines we get when we plot graph between volume and temperature. Then such straight lines are called isobar. Sida fangiba straight lines in Japan kari ko diba isobars ne ko. Ngarang na koina Bols lo gida tawba matamda fangiba straight lines in koina kari curves in kari ko gaya matamda isotherms ne ko gida ko. Ado hojina mo koina volume versus temperature graph yepo matamda fangiba straight lines in sina koina isobar ne ko. Yare ko. Okay, then let's move to next part again. Next is Gay-Lussac's law. This is the third gas law. Gay-Lussac's law have a say ahum suba third law ne gas law ki ka. Malakari high ki hamatamda at a constant volume, the pressure of fixed amount of gas varies directly with temperature. Yam sam no makhagi mathematical formula si representation pressure is directly proportional to temperature having a particular system when the volume is kept constant. Volume से constant थमा मतंदा system दुगी pressure से temperature का proportional होइनी directly. So if I increase the value of P, then the value of T will also increase. The proportionality sign को carry equal to half चले अदु constant नमन multiply तोड़ यारे को. सिलेगी rearrange तोड़ कोई कई फंगे P divided by T is equal to K2 or K khata hai but K2 is also a constant of proportionality. This is also a constant for a particular system. Value is a fixed number key for a particular system and its value will vary for different systems having different conditions according to their situations. Yeah, sigi equation then hanagumna initial pressure then pressure change to temperature ki change to kari madugi relationship to sidale. I'm gonna explain the khali. Okay, then next the graphical representations of Gay-Lussac's law. Gay-Lussac's law is graph ye pe kanagi mo tiye kada mabani na sidana pressure masung temperature ki marati kada graph ni. Since the relationship between pressure and temperature in the Gay-Lussac's law is direct relationship, so we will get a straight line. But here in this case, the straight line will pass through the origin. Gay-Lussac's law the straight line pangi the water straight line sing se origin forward chale. Charles law the straight line or su forward chate origin da intercept amaleki kya no minus 273.15 have degree Celsius to ko adu value the intercept point leki. graph yekpagi se koi amtang try toro gyan ta da yaro so hairo ko so aduga sida fangiba graph sing se maming kari ko ga matamda isochore hena ko pressure masung temperature gi marakta yekpa matamda fangiba graph sing se akoina kari hena ko ga matamda isochore kare ko first Boyle's law da isotherm then second Charles law da isobar now Gay-Lussarsky dina akoina isochore hena ko okay last law Avogadro's law Avogadro's law na kari hai ga matamda karigumba system amada yauriba condition sing temperature amsung pressure conditions means temperature and pressure se samanaba temperature and pressure leraba system amada yauriba gas sing sigi then adugi high duri yauriba gas sing do mogi equal volumes lobu matamda equal volumes to the yaugaba number of molecules chap chap manane mole concept ge hafitan sulakani ko sigi se ai haramge we know that khoina khangre 1 mole of water the how many molecules of water there will be there kya legani 1 mole of water the molecule kya hai yoga kya yoga ni
18
18 molecules masing 18 yoga ni nante yoro kya yoga ni mikita
Sir 6.022 into 10 to the power 23.
Avogadro's number yoga ko kya ko 1 mole of substance the number of elementary particles should be Avogadro's number kya ko adugi concept to la kana khoi sida high risk kaina ham tamne adugi su sigi law si yaw adu aina matam da hapki dawni ko sida talak na wena Avogadro's law na high risk kaina ham tamda karigumba system sida yawriba system sigi magi condition sing have kanano temperature masung pressure se if they are of same value oirabako temperature su the volume su similar condition lebu matamda adugi system sing du yawriba gas sing do they different system where if they have same conditions of temperature and pressure then equal volumes of those gases volume manada remove magi mamone yawriba kano sing do manada ni molecule masing do ko suppose system ani lereba A ko system onga B ko system onga adu A ko system sida hydrogen gas yawrin khalo aduga V ko system sida oxygen gas yawrin khalo aduga mabani suki system ani sida temperature ko pressure ko chap chap manana hape baina kare ko temperature T haibunga pressure P haibunga lerin khalase matam du leidura if system A sida yawriba hydrogen gi volume se 10 liters ne han hairasi kare ko 10 liters and oxygen gi volume su 10 liters oiramagadi kare ko oxygen gi volume su 10 liters oiragadi then adugi 10 liters of oxygen and hydrogen du yawriba number of molecules chap managani habi yaraba kare ko mass ti kenagani tawtabu number of molecules ti managani mass ki do ko shide yam kana haibugi mathaugi tade adu tawtabu masing number of molecules masing se siri chap managani habi equal volume of gas yawri suppose 1 liter of hydrogen the 500 molecules of hydrogen yawring khalo then if atopa system of the samano condition of temperature and pressure layer magadi then at that system oxygen yawring khalo se ko the 1 liter of oxygen is to 500 molecules of oxygen adum yawgani irrespective of their masses mass it adum masa adum kenani oxygen amana atomic mass of oxygen is 16 hydrogen in one aduna mass idum automatically kenarni tobotobu number of molecules masing ni chap chap manana yawkani habni kari gumba same temperature and pressure labor systems in oiragadi have so mathematically we can express it as volume is directly proportional to n so here n is the number of molecules of the gas. And again, we rearrange it equal to half a proportionality sign. So we multiply by a constant k, multiply to and after rearranging we get v divided by n is equal to k. Sidesu chamana amuk apply to we are in a sagido initial volume and volume change to v2 the amuk change to v1 v2 the change to the n1 to n to the change to since the division of this v and n is still a constant value, so v1 divided by n1 is equal to v2 divided by n2 for a particular system, which is equal to a value, a constant value k. K ka mana na ni ko. Okay. Zik law, gas law mari to koi, Boyle's law, then Charles law, Gay-Lussac's law, and Avogadro's law. Kariguma sigi law mari si loina follow torba particular gas amana. Adugi gas to kone kari ko diba ideal gas and ko. Ideal gas. What is ideal gas? Those gases which follows the gas laws strictly. Loina follow torba adugi madusin do koina adumu gas to koina ideal gas and ko. The what do ideal gas have say hypothetical name. That means it is an imagination. Bhavna sangatpang natin name ko. Asing with a real ideal gas have a gas kudimak Boyle's law, then Charles law, then Avogadro's law, may have follow torba matanda koina. Aduga general gas equation hani lai makha lai tala kini ko si gi sing follow tobo matamda makoi dubo aduba gas bu kun ideal gas ne ko buni adubu reality da aseng madadi hai adugumba ideal gas sing se koi relative. These are just a hypothetical theory ne wakal na sagat pong atne yare ko aseng ba ideal gas sigi hai lo lo follow tobo gas amata relative law ma ni follow to me lo mo ti gas amata follow to give aduna ideal gas have a hypothetical ni wakal na sagat pani and it is assumed that the intermolecular forces are not present between the molecules of an ideal gas. Ideal gas say later so koi wakal na sagat ga lehele leiriba ke ideal gas sing sigi mogi molecules sing imarta leiba intermolecular forces sing say later there is no intermolecular forces between the molecules of such ideal gases. Okay, then next point. Aduga ideal gas nataba. That means gas laws in follow loina to ama ni gri to rombe ama to we ani to we loina mo follow to dragari madu buna khone kari haine ko ge matamda real gas haine ko real gas ka ideal gas ki khena bose ideal gas ti gas laws in follow to gani adu real gas ti loina follow to ro ama gumba ni gumba to romgani gas ki matungina lo chamanan follow to gani habu sulaite the whatever 하이브 gas law sing follow to dragari madu ko gas law ni ko duga STP have the standard temperature and pressure have ni STP the standard temperature and pressure ko the pressure kya lageda ba 1 atmosphere lageda ni temperature na 0 degree celsius lageda ni or kelvin lagna 273 kelvin or 273.15 kelvin haina haira su yai ko ado akoina nuaina ba anko horpada 273 ka lower su yai kashu kaide. Okay, so next is ideal gas law. Yam samna hairagi ko si ngasa akoina to gibo law mayam sing do adi martel Boyle's law, then Charles law and Avogadro's law. High level law ohum se combine toxin manibo ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation jikar mai se mapa Boyle's law, Charles law and Avogadro's law se combined or kana koina same ideo. Ahan mo se according to Boyle's law we know that volume is inversely proportional to pressure. In Charles law volume is directly proportional to temperature and in Avogadro's law volume is directly proportional to the number of molecules of the gas in the system. So combining these three equations, 1, 2, and 3 equations, we get a relationship. So V is proportional to NT divided by P. And next step, okay, proportionality sign equal to 1 aduga constant multiply to constant se karano R. So R is the universal constant, universal gas constant. Here go. Magi value say system matungina or layer of condition matungina change to gani. Hey question ang kon the R value say ko na kaya to kani. Supply to pay. Here go. Okay, then rearrange to C above equation say. P is from the right side, take left side to pure PV and T is pure. So PV divided by T is equal to NR. Here I go. And we can again rearrange it. PV is equal to NRT. So this is the general gas law equation. Here I go. Sigi equation thing rearrangement to one. But for a particular gas containing 1 mole the N value is 1. So Mathaki gas law se koina kari on thora ke the PV is equal to RT ole. Kari the N value say when the amount of gas present in the system is 1 mole, then the value of N is equal to 1. So substituting the value of N in the above equation, this equation, we get PV is equal to RT. RT hai and uski mathaki relationship to the koina sagi conditions in the panselaga equation ama fange cos this equation ama lere sigi equations you khangelo and this equation sigi equation se koina kari hena ko game the combined gas equation hena ko